How to change your driving test date on Testi app. In this quick video, I'll show you how you can reschedule or change your driving test date on the Testi application. But before doing first is of course make sure that you're running the latest version of Testi application by going into your Google Play Store or any type of app store you use to download apps. This is just to make sure that you're using the latest version of Testi application so that you will not encounter any bugs and crashes in the middle of rescheduling. Now, the very first glance of opening up the application, this is going to be what you will be seeing, such as entering your driving's license number and as well as your application test reference of the confirmed booking. Now, at the right side, you should also see a book a new test. So, since you're trying to reschedule a test, just choose on the first field and input all necessary details here. And once you have fully um, access your booking date, you should automatically be able to see all the available scheduled dates if you hit on reschedule. And that's it. That's how you change your driving test date on Testi app.